In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export download contacts from Odoo. To get started, open Odoo and go to your main dashboard. From there, click on the Contacts app. This will take you to the full list of contacts stored in your Odoo database. If you have a lot of records, don't worry, you don't need to open each one individually. Everything can be exported directly from the Contacts list view, which makes this process quick and efficient. Once you're inside the Contacts app, take a look toward the top left area of the screen. You'll find the gear icon there. This menu contains extra actions you can apply to the list you're currently viewing. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open that menu. If your screen looks slightly different, the icon may still be in the same general top section of the page, depending on your Odoo version, but the process remains the same. After opening the gear menu, select Export. As soon as you click it, an Excel sheet will begin downloading immediately. In most cases, your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location in your browser settings. If you don't see the file right away, check the Downloads bar in your browser or open your Downloads folder manually to confirm that it completed successfully. This exported file is useful if you want to back up your contacts, review them outside of Odoo, share them internally with your team, or prepare them for use in another system. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you need quick access to your contact data in spreadsheet format. And that's it. The entire process is very straightforward. Open the Contacts app, click the gear icon, and choose Export to download the file. If you're following along, it should only take a few seconds from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly export your contacts from Odoo with confidence.